Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I would like to teach you how we can index new pages on Google using Google Search Console. Now, in the last session, we have verified the ownership of clickandcapturestudio.com, right? And as soon as we have verified the ownership, it will take us to this particular dashboard. And this is the dashboard of Google Search Console. Here we can see the performance and indexing is still on process. It will take up to a day in order for us to see the data of it. Now, what is the purpose of Google Search Console? As we have discussed in the earlier video, we make sure that on our website, in my scenario, the website is Click and Capture Studio. So whatever the new page or a blog was created in the website, instead of waiting for the crawler to crawl the page, the faster way is we have to take the copy of that particular URL and we can paste it in the Google Search Console, so that we are letting the Google bot that we have created a new blog on our website. Please crawl the page and please perform the indexing. It is a faster way to do that. Now let's perform the activity. So quickly I would like to navigate to the website, Click and Capture Studio. And then as we have recently created a new blog, I want to click on blog. It takes us to the blog page, and from here we have to click on the first blog that we have created, South Indian Bridal Reception Look. And now it is the blog that we have written, right? It have images, text, and then it has internal links. Now once we have created the blog, the main purpose of the blog is we have to display this particular blog on the Google search engine results page, which means we have entered a lot of keywords that are related to South Indian Bridal Reception Look, so that any user who searches for the exact keyword, if we have the proper keywords that we have mentioned in this blog, it will be populated on the Google search engine results page. That is the main motive, right? So that by using the buttons on this particular blog, when somebody clicks on explore wedding photography, it will take us to the clickandcapturestudio.com. Maybe if they really like our services, it is one of the way that we can generate the lead through blogs. So now the important question is whether the blog that we have created about South Indian Bridal Reception Look, is it really showing on the Google search engine results page? That is what we have to know. So how are we going to verify that? And one more thing, we also have to know that whether the Google bot has entered into this page and performed the crawling. How are we going to know that? So the answer is the Google bot can enter into this particular web page anytime. It can be today, it can be tomorrow, or it can be after 1 week of time. We do not know the time frame. So the very first way that we can do is we can take the copy of this particular URL, and then we have to navigate to the Google Search Console. And on the dashboard, on the very top, we do have one of the option where we can enter the URL of the post that we have created, and then we have to click on enter. Now clearly we can see the URL is not on the Google, which means the crawling has not completed yet. Or maybe the crawling has completed, but the indexing is not completed. In the last video, we even have discussed, right, the difference between the crawling and indexing. Quickly, I want to let you know, if you really don't know the difference between crawling and indexing, first, I want to talk about the crawling. So once we have created a new page, the Google bot or the crawler, it will enter into this particular page. It will have a look at the entire page, what's inside this particular page. It will read each and every information. It will make a note of the keywords. Okay, this is related to South Indian Bridal Reception Look. It will understand the content, and it will have a look at the images. When I say it will have a look at the images, it will read the alt text that is in the backend. We have learned, right, how we can keep the alt text for any images. And then the crawler will also have a look if there are any internal or external links. Here we can see an internal link, and if I scroll down completely to the bottom, here we can see an internal link. So the Google bot will completely understand the content of this page. That is called crawling. Now what is exactly the meaning of indexing? Crawling is to understand the content, and when it comes to indexing, it is to store the content, which means the entire information of this particular page, it will be stored in the Google database, which means if this particular blog is stored in the Google database, so that when someone searches for South Indian Bridal Reception Look, Google will come to this page, understands the keywords. If the keywords that we have mentioned in this page is very much relevant to what user is searching than all other pages, then our page will come onto the top of the Google search engine results page. And that is what exactly the meaning of indexing. Now, through this particular tab, Google Search Console, we understand that the blog which we have written about the South Indian Bridal Reception Look is not on the Google yet. The page is not indexed. So what we have to do, instead of waiting till the Google bot enters into the page, completes the crawling and perform the indexing, we are fast forwarding the process. we have entered into the Google search console, we search for the URL, we found it is not yet indexed by the Google. Now all we have to do is we have to request for the indexing. Now here it is showing test if live URL can be indexed. This might take a minute or two. Let's see what it comes and I'll explain to you after the result. As we can see that we have requested for the index and the URL was added to a priority queue. Alright, let me click on dismiss. And always remember that after we have submitted for the indexing, it will fall into the priority queue and probably the Google will prioritize and perform the indexing much more earlier than the automatic process. And it is so simple, maybe in a day or two we can come back and we can check this. So you have learned how we can perform the index for all the new pages or the updated pages or the blogs that we have created on our website using the Google Search Console. If you really find my videos helpful, I want you to watch all my digital marketing classes. And if you are new to my channel, you can visit my YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where you can find all the videos that are related to digital marketing from the very basics. I have did more than hundreds of videos and it's entirely free. Anybody can watch it. And I'll see you in the next session shortly. Thank you so much.